Okay, so this is basically the full overview of how to capture a cell tower in order to process it in 3D after that, right? Now I'm capturing 2 images per second, which means that in 15 minutes I can basically capture around 1,000 images, which is really, really fast. Which means that I can do a complete cell tower inspection with the drone in about 20 minutes actually, with unpacking and packing up the drone again. Right now I'm doing some orbits from the distance. I'm actually flying the orbits manually. I just think I have more control in this way. So now we are beginning to get closer. Let's do one orbit here from the top. Now I'm flying with the DJI Matrice 4E in tripod mode, okay, in F mode, because it allows me to fly a bit slower and take more images. And yeah, basically cell tower owners are interested in the quality of the antennas, okay, so we have to emphasize and take more pictures around the wide antennas, but we also don't have to forget the actual metal construction, because the metal construction also tells the cell tower owners where they could potentially add some more antennas, right? Yeps. Nice. This was one orbit. Let's now, because also in order to capture these cables in good quality, I tend to tilt the camera a bit up, a bit above 0, so to get exactly the nice quality of the cables here. This is also quite valuable. Oh, let's get a bit closer to the tower. Okay, now we got the cables in very good close-up view. Tilt the camera a bit down, so it's maybe 10-15 degrees down. Okay. Yep, now we're ready. And then now we do a close-up on the antenna, on this round one here. Emphasize a bit more on that. Here, the signal is normally interrupted, obviously because the antennas are straight next to the drone. But that's also one reason why I fly manually, because I can control it more if interference is decreases, right? Oh, okay. Capture this equipment here. So you can see up the red up in the corner. Fly with caution. Because we're straight across the antenna. Now a bit tilt up to get the cables. These photos exactly here are really valuable. Also, when we process the 3D model, the program will allow to click on specific images and zoom even more in. Now a bit. Here I can see some metal constructions allowing to mount some wide antennas. This is also valuable to capture. Tilt up. Okay. Tilt up. Yeah, The under part of the tower is not so important, but still, we can still do a couple of orbits. Okay, and now we completed the orbits. Now we will do one panorama, one 360-degree panorama, in order. Yeah, this will also help the cell tower owners to see exactly where the cell tower is located compared to the village. Is there any like close infrastructure around it, or what the terrain is? This gives a very good idea about that. Така, добре. Искаш ли да видим църквата? Ами, да видим дали е отворена. А,